Hey everyone, so I am just going to do a quick tutorial. As you can probably see from the heading down below, it is the LULLABELLZ wraparound ponytail. I bought two of these ponytails. This one I haven't used yet. It is the 26-inch wave texture ponytail, but this one I want to do a braid kind of style, so I'll be sure to do a video when I do that. But I put up a video the other day and just chatting about the LULLABELLZ extensions, and I had the 90s style bounce ponytail in, which is this one right here. So that's the one I'm going to be doing a tutorial on today. I know a lot of people kind of want the longer ones, but then again there's people out there who would like the shorter ones. With these extensions, they are synthetic hair, so just take that into consideration. They do say you can use like up to 180 degrees heat on them. I probably wouldn't recommend them. Just leave them with the style that they are. If you are washing them, just make sure to leave them dry natural and don't blow dry them. I think just using heat on it may just ruin them because of them being synthetic hair. Also as well with them, make sure to use an extension brush. So I use this one, which is the Knotty brush. I love this even for your own natural hair or extensions. It has soft bristles on it and it's just a nice size brush and nice handle as well to get going. But like that, it just glides through your hair and extensions too and gets all them knots out. So this is my hair with no extensions or anything. Like, what is that? So this is my hair with nothing in it, so that's why I like having the 18-inch ponytail, because it just adds a little bit of length to my own hair but a lot of thickness as well to it. So with these ponytails, this is it. It comes with like a little clasp kind of clip part here and Velcro back here, and on the inside that's where the opposite side of the Velcro is. You have this little section here which is just on its own, is to wrap around your ponytail. I'm just going to show you here without having it in my hair first. So you are putting this in where your ponytail is, in like this, and make sure that it's secure. You are going to wrap this piece around, so your ponytail, like your natural hair, is going to be in here. You have this piece here that's underneath it that has the Velcro on it, and that is just going to go over where that is. You're left with that, with your natural ponytail in it and this piece hanging down. You are going to wrap that around where the Velcro is, which will be around your ponytail, to hide that Velcro. Where this ends, which is here, you're going to put in about 2 or 3 clips, depending on how secure you kind of want it. I put in about 2, maybe 3, and that's enough for it. So your natural hair is in here in the ponytail, and this is the way then it's going to sit. Give it a brush out and it will sit into the way that it wants to, and then that's it. So now, first off then, to make sure that you have your ponytail in and it is nice and secure. That's really annoying me now, whatever way my ponytail is, but anyway. Make sure your ponytail of your natural hair is nice and secure. For this ponytail, I like to have it up high. For like the longer ones or anything, you can have a low ponytail if you want, all preference. Just with this being the style that it sits in around here, it's better to have it up in a high ponytail. So this is going to be awkward as well because my hair is dark, it's harder to kind of see, but I'll try my best to show you and just guide you through it. So starting off, we are going to take this piece here. This is going to be awkward to show. And make sure to flip it around. So you are taking this here and make sure to put it underneath your go-go, but make sure that it is nice and secure. This piece here, you are wrapping it under, and the piece here before the separate part, this here is going under. So I just kind of flip my head back like this to make sure you get it under. So you'll have that separate piece then, which is your Velcro piece. You're going to have this here and just let it sit on it. Yeah, so once that's in, you're left with your separate piece. So all of that is velcroed here, and then I'm just gonna go back again to make sure that it goes under. It's kind of hard to see. Now, so mine ends here. I'm going to take my clip and just clip right in. So I do one kind of on this side and then one on that side to make sure that it's right in. So that's it there. Never mind all these little flyaways. I'm after running out of hairspray, and I kind of need them to kind of just get them back because I'm only have to wash my hair, so it's really fresh and just kind of sits in with all them little flyaways that are wrecking my head now. But with this one, I just bring it forward, use my brush then to just blend my own natural hair in and leave it sit into, and just leave it sit into the way that it wants to. So you can see how secure that is. Like, I needed a black clip for there, I couldn't really find one, so never mind that. But like that, you can see how quick and easy it is, and like how secure it is on my head. See? So this is the finished look, and I just love it. I love that kind of 90s style, but even when my hair is down, I actually use the InStyler to create this kind of bounce of a look. So the fact that I have it in a ponytail, I'm in love. So that is the finished look. I just love this look. When my own hair is down, it's a little bit longer than what it is now in the ponytail. I always use the InStyler to create this bounce of a look. I just love that whole kind of 90s style volume and bounce. But with this, it's just a lot thicker in a ponytail. Also, if you have long hair and kind of like, oh, I'd love that kind of style, you can still do that. Rather than having it in a ponytail with your natural hair, wrap it around into a bun. Make sure that bun is secure and won't budge. And then with the clasp, just the same. Just make sure you put it in underneath your bun. You will have more volume along here rather than your ponytail. When it's in a bun, you'll have more volume up here and height, which is still nice as well. Just in case you want to change and want a look of shorter hair without chopping your hair up, you can still do that. So that is that. I hope you liked it. I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial on it because a few of you wanted that when I put it up on my Instagram stories. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you do buy them, or even any other brand, and need any help, let me know. But I hope you learned from this, and if you get them yourself, let me know and be sure to tag me in. But yeah,